Hey, what's up you guys? Before we start today's video, I just want to go ahead and say that we're doing a 200 subscribe giveaway. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. As soon as we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to go ahead and give away an Amazon gift card. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get started with it. We're back for another day. I am going to go fix Apollo again. RTDC episode 4. Honestly, she's pretty close to being done. Almost all the body work is done. Those new fenders are going to need to be sanded, all that good stuff. But we'll go ahead and get into that as soon as we get there. So I'll see you then. All right, you guys, we're back finally with the car. Let me go ahead and show you actually the whole progress with the thing. This is what we got to worry about right now. But other than this and these fenders, and then sanding down the rest of that bumper over there, we are almost done. This part right here was actually, hitting with the door, I believe, somewhere right here. Fitment's probably not going to be perfect, which is okay. Race car. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting with that bumper. We just basically sanded down this part of the bumper. The reason why I did this is because before we even got into that whole accident with that barbed wire fence, my neighbor's car, when they were backing out, they hit this part and it actually cracked the paint. And then I gotta sand this down, which is actually the part where the fence actually hit my bumper. And now we are on this big old piece of thing. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down, and then I'm pretty much gonna be done for the day, and then we'll go ahead and pick it up the next time I start. The next day. Day number 2 of this video, and pretty much we just hopped straight into it. Well, pretty much what we did yesterday was a big thing was we fixed this. It looks freaking cool, man. Like I pretty much did this on my own. I did all like the sanding basically. I didn't put the little putty on because obviously not too good at it yet. But yeah, other than that, pretty much this whole body is done except for the fenders, which I'm actually working on right now. This right here, it's done. It's good to go, ready for paint. I was working on this one. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but pretty much I just came in and started working. These were having some clearance issues right here. I went ahead and took this off, did some sanding on the inside to shave it down in there. And now just makes it. So that's good. That's done. This side is good to go pretty much. And let's get started with that other side, which is the nuisance. This thing is really a nuisance. This thing's rubbing in like 3 different areas. One right here, one over here, and even on the inside once you start opening up a little bit more. I'll go ahead and show you that then, but I'm gonna probably have to shave that stuff down. So we've already shaved this down before, but we're probably gonna have to go in deep because the other one I did actually have to go completely through on one part, but that one's fine. But this one's rubs in multiple areas, which is going to be problematic. Beware when you get fiberglass because they are a bitch. Let's go ahead and start sanding and get to work. Has a little bit of rub left, just I think in one spot. I haven't opened it all the way either, so it might still rub right here too. So we got a nice clear shot of exactly where it's rubbing. Let me get a picture in the sun. Right here, exactly right here. I don't see it rub anywhere else, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just yeet a nice little hole into this because this doesn't really do anything for me anyways. And then I still gotta get a little bit of this dug out a little bit, and then after that I think she's good. Alright, the back piece still rubs. Ugh. That back piece gotta go. bit more up top. When I open it completely, it rubs a little bit at the bottom. I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so I was able to get everything back on and in order, and now we have no more rubbing, which is perfect. All the way in, all the way out, no rub. That's good to hear. So yeah, these things are pretty much ready for them to start doing paint work and everything on them. That's pretty much it for today. I don't really want to bore you guys with more sanding and stuff, even though that's pretty much what this whole process is. I'll go ahead and pick it up when we mess with the fenders. Fast forward to the next time we touch Apollo. In the last video, I was messing around with the fenders, getting the fitment correct, which we ended up doing. We got both sides done. The fitment is, it's okay, but I mean, drift car, race car, those things could be smashed up. But let's go ahead and show you. So this is all bolted up now. Everything is good. The 86 thing's not right there right now, but we're gonna put those on there. We're probably just gonna glue it on there because we don't really want to drill out everything, and you know, it's easier just to slap it on. For fitment wise, obviously not amazing. I'm not a professional, but like, it's not horrible either. It's gonna give us that little bit of room that we're gonna need, which is great. Helix side marks are on. Here's the other side as well. Hood's a little high, but that's kind of just how this was made. Nothing really you can do about that. Fiberglass isn't exactly perfect. Fitment's okay here. Fitment looks good down here, but the way this was made, it just freaking bows out all crazy. I mean, I guess you can do something, but I'm not professional, so I'm not really gonna be doing much about that. Like I said, race car, everything looks good. On this side, got the whole body sanded. Now we just gotta prep it for the paint, and we gotta get this bumper back on, torque up the wheels. We're driving her home tonight. It's gonna be the first time driving this car in literally like almost a month. I forgot my car is too low for this jack, so I gotta jack it back up. Look at the fitment now. Look how much room we have. That's actually a good amount, which is amazing. That's great. That's good to see. Not sure if we're gonna have to do any cutting. I don't think we will. We should be fine. Get out the shop. Beat it. Congrats, you made it on the bid. Now beat it. Thank you. Bumper is on. I'm not gonna lie, that took a lot longer than what I wanted it to take. It's been sitting for a month, so it's dusty, it's got sanded down. We're gonna go ahead and give her like a little real quick wash. Bro, that sounds so much different. I totally forgot how unequal length sounds, or the equal length headers sound, the stock ones. It sounds so much different. Let's go ahead and wash this thing because it needs to be washed.